I'd like to show you some work that I find inspirational and it's the kind of work that I hope will be possible with the simplest federated wiki, maybe even easy. But, I saw this in a recent issue of Science. This is the July 29th. And this is a special issue on population. There's a number of pages here, mostly by professional journalists and top scientists explaining to a general but scientifically literate audience recent work in population, combined with original research that shows up in the magazine. But what I especially liked is this special section where there's a kind of a uniform style in the diagrams, in terms of presentation, but not afraid to present very complicated data. And especially this one caught my eye because it said, see the interactive figure at this address, even throwing in a QR code if you want to find it quickly. So I went to that address, and here's what I found. This is a very nicely prepared animation. It uses scrubbing, which is something that I think helps you really understand time. Time is always difficult to put on a chart, and this one uses X and Y for other parameters. It's comparing total fertility to rate to and life expectancy, and this would be a phase diagram in the literature, but it's mapped not only the contours that are on the background, but several different data sets in different colors. And about here, it switches from recorded data to forecasting data, so you can see models that is showing what is likely to happen. So there's a lot of richness in this. So there's 5 data sets here, not counting the forecasts. I would love to be able to take a 6th data set and just drag it in there and have it show up. One thing that I encourage the coders to do is to dig into this and notice how this page is put together. I'll include a link to it. I'm excited that so much is done in JavaScript and that they've chosen the same libraries that I found attractive, at least the same sources of those libraries. I'm encouraged that I'm moving in the right direction.